When one actually surrenders, one makes that choice and surrenders to Guru and serves, then that degree of genuineness, then Krishna answers questions and shows the way and gives that inner strength and inner attachment and inner conviction. That's all. Forget about the devatas being involved. It's just the play of the illusory energy. It's Maya. She's not a devata. She's the energy of Krishna. Because the primary activity for Maya Devi is to keep the insincere away from Krishna. It says in the Gita, Daivi esha gunamayi mama maya dharatya mama vya prapadyante maya metam dharantite. Daiva esha gunamayi. So this gunamayi is Daivi. It's transcendental. Everyone's bound by these modes of nature because they're not surrendering to Krishna. But when they become surrendered to Krishna, then the Mahamaya becomes the Yoga Maya, and the Yoga Maya is Daivi Shakti. Daivi esha gunamayi. So the Daivi Shakti. So this is when one surrenders to Krishna, then the Mahamaya becomes the Yoga Maya, and the very energy that takes us away from Krishna starts to push us towards Krishna and link us with Krishna. So therefore, when one surrenders to Guru and serves him, then he starts to get liberated. He comes under the shelter of Krishna, and Krishna helps him and guides him. Stay away from this person, stay away from that one. Listen to this one, don't listen to that one.